Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss binomial theorem. Binomial is actually a Greek word. Bi means two and nomial means term. So, in binomial theorem, we will expand two terms, or we will discuss the expansion of two terms. So, first of all, we write down two terms. For example, the two terms are A and B. So we start with A plus B power 1. Any number power 1 is same, so A plus B power 1 remains same, so means A plus Next, we will expand A plus B with power 2. So we know the identity A plus B square, it is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Next, A plus B power 3 expansion is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Next, we will find the expansion of A plus B power 4. To find A plus B power 4, we will check the pattern of the terms in the first three expansions. So first we will check the pattern of coefficients. So first we write down the coefficients of all the terms in the first three expansions. So if you look at the first expansion, A plus B power 1, coefficient of A is 1. If there is no coefficient means 1. Similarly, coefficient of B is 1. So first we will write down the coefficients which are 1 and 1. Coefficient of the second term are 1, 2 and 1. 1, 2 and 1. In the third expansion, coefficients are 1, 3, 3 and 1. 1, 3, 3 and 1. Now if we look at the pattern of the coefficients, the first number are 1 1, then second are 1 2 1 and third 1 3 3 1. So they are following a pattern. If we check the pattern, the first and last numbers are 1. So in the next expansion, first number will also be 1 and the last number will also be 1. For the middle numbers, if you look at the pattern, in the second term numbers are 1 2 1. So first is 1 and last is 1, and middle term is actually the sum of the upper two terms. 1 plus 1 is 2. In the next pattern, again 3 is sum of 1 and 2, and next 3 is also sum of 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. To find the coefficient of the next term, again we follow the same pattern. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we know the coefficient of the a plus b power 4, which are 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. So we find the coefficient of the next expression. Next we will find powers of a and b. So to find the powers of a and b, again we check the previous expansions, pattern of the terms in the previous expansion. So if you look at the a plus b power 1, a power is 1, and next term there is no a, means a power 0. In the second expansion, a plus b square, we start with a square, then a power 1, then a power 0. In the third expansion, it's a cube, then a square, then a power 1, then a power 0. So powers of a are in descending order. Next, if you check the powers of b are in the first expansion, in the first term, there is no b, means b power 0. In the second term, it's b power 1. For the second expansion, it's b power 0, then b power 1, then b power 2. In the third expansion, it's b power 0, then b power 1, then b power 2, then b power 3. So again, powers of b are in this ascending order. And we start with the power of the expansion. In the first, a plus b power 1, so we start with a power 1. In the second expansion, it was a plus b power 2, so we start with a power 2. And in the third expansion, it was a plus b power 3, so we start with a 3. So in the next expansion, it's a plus b power 4, so we start with a power 4 and b power 0 plus power of a will be in descending order and power of b will be in ascending order. So a power 3, b power 1, then a power 2, b power 2 plus a power 1 and b power 3 plus a power 0 and b power 4. So if we simplify, it will be a power 4, then 4, a 3, b plus 6 a square b square plus 4 ab3 plus b. So this is how we can expand any terms. Now it's your turn to find the expansion of the next power, which is a plus b power 4. First, find the coefficient of a plus b power 5 by using this pattern. This pattern of the numbers is actually making a triangle or pattern, and it is called Pascal triangle. So using this pattern, first find the coefficients of the a plus b power 5, and then write down the extension of a plus b power 5. So it's your turn to simplify a plus b power 5. Thank you so much.